Come test drive this 2014 Volkswagen Jetta. This four-door, five-passenger sedan offers the features and options for which you've been searching. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. All of the premium features expected of a Volkswagen are offered, including front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, front dual-zone air conditioning, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and power seats. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.